Hello, today I'm going to review Lian's Tropicant palette by Fusion, and I'm going to do some swatches and then show you samples in regular light with UV, and only in UV light.
Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you.
I really enjoy this palette, and you can see through some colors already. I take this palette quite often on UV parties, although not all colors are UV. They are amazing without UV anyways, but still they complement each other nicely, UV and non-UV. I like this rainbow combination a lot. I'm using these two colors separately quite often, so I'm taking purple, white and yellow, for example, or green, yellow and white. The same for these colors. These at the bottom, they are not UV colors, but they're still very bright and nice to use at the regular party. Okay, without waiting anymore, let's start doing the swatches.
By the way, if you like one-stroke technique or you would like to learn it, there is a Facebook group for you which is called One Stroke Beauty. You can find a lot of inspiration there, or you can show your work. There is also a special chart for you at the top of the group where you can find artists who inspire the whole world with their one-stroke designs. You can tick all the artists that inspire you, or you can add your own one if they are not there. If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there!
This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review and swatches. I'm waiting for your comments and your likes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!